Hi guys, Andrew here from Accelerate Auto Electrics and Air Conditioning. Here we are in this Sprinter. Now this Sprinter, the customer's actually doing the whole fit out himself in his spare time. As you can tell by this beautiful bench top and the Nordic theme I think I'd go with. So he's done the bulk of the wiring with all the lighting and so on. He's run all these downlights you can see through the roof, got all the fans working, all the rest of it. And then he's got us in towards the end of it. We've been part of this build all the way through and it's still got plenty to go, as you can tell. And he's got us in to do like it's got a 2000 watt inverter that we'll show down the rear. It's got solar, plenty of solar on the roof. It's got an EnerDrive DC-DC charger and an EnerDrive ePro. It's currently running two 125 amp AGMs, but everything we've done is lithium compatible. And probably at the end of the build, we might end up going lithium. We'll see how these batteries are going. What else we got going? That's pretty much the bulk of it. What we'll do is we'll take you down and we'll show you what's going on down the rear. So we're down in the back, and to be honest, it's a bit cramped because we're kind of under half of his bed. But anyway, well, what we've fitted, we've got a EnerDrive 40 amp 240 volt charger. We've got the 40 amp DC to DC charger. We got the two 120 amp AGMs, and here is the shunt for the ePro that we showed you up the front. Over here, if you want to bring the camera down here, this is where we've got the EnerDrive 2000 watt auto transfer over RCD inverter. Great bit of gear. We're starting to use plenty of these in our builds. They're really good and really cost effective. So basically this van is going to be fully off grid. Everything's going to work. It's going to have microwaves. It's going to have sort of everything you could possibly need, all working, all charging while he goes, never needing power. So if you've got a van build on the go, or even thinking about it and looking for some advice and someone to help you with the technical stuff, please feel free to give us a call on 1300 227 353, email us at info@amae.net.au, or comment below. We can make your idea come to life.